Hi there, in this tutorial here we're going to have a go at doing our first revolve component. The next couple of tutorials will also be focusing on the revolve command, and over these tutorials we'll be producing the handle, the lid and the jar. We are learning how to use the CAD command revolve, and if we're progressing past level 2 we're just getting the handle modelled. If we're working over level 3 we're getting the handle and the lid modelled. Both of those are just with minor inaccuracies, and we're progressing past level 3 we're getting the handle, lid and the jar all modelled accurately. So we're just going to jump into Onshape there, and we'll open up our document. And just as we've done before, we're going to hit that plus symbol down the bottom left, and we're going to go create Part Studio. And we're going to click the sketch, and we're going to sketch on the top here, so we click on the top plane, and then we're going to click on the top of the view cube there, just so we can see what we're working on nice and clearly. I'm going to use the line tool, so I'm going to click on that center point there. I'm going to come down, like that'll do. Can we go out just roughly about 20, up about 5, in a bit, and then we're going back up. And we're always making sure we're going horizontal or vertical. It does snap to that, so it does make it look nice and easy to get those horizontal and vertical lines. Next up, we're going to add the dimension tool. So we're going to go to dimension. We're going to add some dimensions here. So this bottom line here, we're going to click on it. Click below, and we're going to give that a dimension of 20. And this line here, we're going to click on it, click off it, give that dimension of 5. We're going to click on this line here, click above it, I'm going to give it a dimension of 7.5, and then we're going to click on that line there. And as you see, as I dimension this, you'll see these blue lines here, they go black, and that means they're going fully constrained. So there's no freedom in there. So change that to 15. And you see nothing can move around, that's all fixed in position. So we're just going to click green there, and that says out there. I'm just going to swap to the isometric view using the little options here, and I am going to use the revolve command. So it's just next to the extrude command in this menu bar up here. So revolve, and it's asking us what region we want to revolve. So we can click on the region, and then it's that you can see the revolve axis has gone red. You need to click where it's gone red, and then we're just going to click on that one long side. And that's basically revolving the shape that we've drawn around that line. And that's kind of the handle shape we're looking for there. So we can just click the green tick there. We're going to just rename that there. So we'll just call that handle. And we'll right click on Part Studio there and rename that as well. We'll call that handle as well. And then you can go in and you can edit the appearance. So you can decide a bit of colour, that wood can be stained. So I'm just going to make that kind of blue, and there we are, and that's our handle done. So that was our first go at using the revolve command.